guys, welcome back to Gadget Tips. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix slow charging issue on your Huawei and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one is you just have to avoid using a low quality charger or which one actually doesn't belong to your phone. You just have to avoid this as well as the adapter. In the same way you have to avoid both the charger, you just have to avoid both the cable as well as the adapter. You just have to use the original one. You should not be using the first copy, which I mentioned earlier, should not be depending on the ERT cables, which definitely having the issue. So you just have to depend on the official one, and most probably this will be helping you guys to fix the slow charging issue. And simply make sure the actual problem is just caused by your Huawei, which is running in the power saving mode. If it is running in the power saving mode, then we'll be having definitely the issue. So you just have to make sure in this way. If it is on the power saving mode, you will be having the issue. So you just have to check in that way. Sometimes what happens is sometimes turning on some specific features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other can cause the issue. While charging, you have to turn this off. You have to turn on Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth and all those things when there's required. You are having a demanded situation. If you're not using it, then definitely I suggest you guys, you have to turn this off and you have to go for charging, and this will be helping you guys out. And the reason you're facing this problem apart from this is running multiple apps in the phone. So as you can see, if you're running too much apps in the background, this can also cause. And just have to clear this up. Disabling the system bloatware can help you to fix the issue, as well as you have to always keep the mobile data off while charging your devices, which is very important. And it would be good to not to downloading any data while phone is being charging, any kind of auto updates. You just have to clear this up. And also many users face this problem just because of not updating the phone OS when the new update arrives, as I said earlier, which can be done over here. So all you have to do is, in order to do this, you just have to go over here on the settings. You just have to tap on the settings and just have to go over here and software update, and you have to go for software update and see whether you're on the latest version of software update. If you're on the latest version of software update, just go for it. This is what you have to do. And also perform a software reset in your devices and see after trying to out the reset, this has to be fixed. And also sometimes a basic restart on your phone can fix the issue up. And also make sure don't use any pirated accessory with your devices, which I said earlier. Disconnect it from any gadget which is around here also, as well as when you're trying, if your phone is having any kind of virus or malware, definitely this can also cause issue up. So you have to think in that way also. These are the basic things that you have to try out when you're having a slow charging issue on your Huawei and its procedures. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.